How to draw a smiley face in Microsoft Word. To draw a smiley face, go to Home Page menu on the upper left side on your screen and go to Insert. In Insert, go to Drawing. Here in Drawing section, you can see here the Insert Page. In Insert Page, go to Shape. Here in Shape, below, find the Basic Shape. Here in Basic Shape, you can see here the smiley face. You can click this or select this and now draw a smiley face. Okay? You can drag your mouse, press and hold to draw a smiley face. After you draw, change the shape outline by clicking the arrow down button on the right side of this shape outline and select the color. So for my example, I set into black and now you can shape peel. You can see on the top menu the shape peel and click the arrow down button on the right side of this to select or change the color. So for my example, I set into yellow. And also you can change the weight of this by going to shape outline again and go to arrow down button on the right side of this. And here you can see the weight. So I set into 4.5 the weight. And after you create a smiley face, click the save and close button on the upper right side on this drawing section. To save here in your document, you can resize the emoji. You can rotate left or right the emoji. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully drawn a smiley face in Microsoft Word.